Hello, and welcome to your complete unboxing guide for your Levy scooter. We're happy to have you here. The first important topic to understand about your scooter is how to fold it. Release the scooter from its collapsed position by pushing down on the rear fender and bring the stem up on top of the hinge. Your hinge latch must be all the way down for your stem to fit snugly into the hinge. Once the stem is in place, fold your hinge latch up to secure it. Then, twist the latch cover over for added security. Our next step is to screw on your handlebars. In the starter box that comes with your scooter, you will find two handlebars. Each handlebar has a letter near its threads, which designates its correct side. Both handlebars will screw in towards you, as if you were standing on the deck of the scooter. Make sure your brake handle is on your handlebars before screwing them in. The final step in setting up your handlebars is going to be tightening your brake handle. Remove your 5mm Allen key from your starter box. Underneath your brake handle is going to be a bolt which fits this key. Tighten the bolt under your brake handle in your preferred handle position and you are all set. Our next step is to inflate your tires. To assist in this step, we will use a valve extender found in your starter kit. Tires must be inflated to avoid flats and other damage to your scooter. Unscrew your valve cap and screw on your valve extender. Inflate your tubed tires to 40 psi and you're all set. Make sure to remove your valve extender and place your valve cap back on when you're finished. Please note, our tires use bike pumps with a Schrader valve attachment, so when purchasing a bike pump, ensure you are purchasing the correct valve attachment. Our next step is to adjust your brakes. The goal with adjusting your brakes is to make your brake pads as close to your disc brake as possible without touching. Too tight and your scooter wheel won't spin or will consistently scrape the disc. Too loose and your brake pads will not be effective. You can move your left brake pad closer by loosening the bolt on top of the caliper lever and then pulling the brake line through that lever. You can move the right brake pad closer by tightening a bolt on the right side of the wheel set. Both of these use a 5mm Allen key. For a more in-depth explanation on brake adjustments, check out our video on YouTube. Finally, our last setup step is to charge your battery. Plug in your charger set found in your starter kit and connect the other end into the charger port found underneath the battery. The light on the charger set will turn red when it is charging, and your scooter will not turn on. When your battery is done charging, the light will turn back to green. Before you start cruising, you're going to need to understand your scooter's settings. To turn on your scooter, hold down the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. To change speed modes, tap on the menu button once. To turn on your headlight and tail light, double tap on the menu button. To access the scooter menu, hold down on the menu button and power button simultaneously. These settings can adjust your speed units, cruise control setting, and more. Finally, to engage your motor, push down on the throttle with your thumb. Our scooters by default are kick to start, which means you have to be moving at around 2 miles an hour for the motor to engage. And just like that, you're ready to go. We hope you enjoy your time with Levy. Happy riding!